Hi, this is Destiny from Dating Ice. Sometimes I find that the most peculiar phenomenon happens when I'm reading questions about dating on the internet. People will go and ask everyone on the internet about their specific situation and what they should do, but they haven't talked to the person that they're dating about it. It's really strange because if a mother sees her 10-year-old crying, she should ask the child why he's crying, not go post on the internet, "My child is crying, what do I do?" It just makes sense. But in the dating realm, so many people don't feel comfortable talking to the person that they're dating. So if that's the case, ask yourself if you're really confident with your relationship. Is this really the person that you want to spend the rest of your life with, especially if you can't talk to them? If that is the case, then get out of the relationship. But if it's not, if you feel like you really truly care about them and that this can work, go talk to them. It's going to be okay. A lot of people get really anxious about straight queries and they don't know what to do, but as long as they realize that you're being honest and you're coming from a helpful place, they're usually very willing to talk about a subject, no matter how hard it may be. Another reason is fear. Fear that the person is going to leave you or that they're not going to understand what it is that you're trying to say. If that's the case, don't worry about it. A lot of times we build it up to be this big thing in our heads, and then when we actually go to confront it, it's not nearly as scary as we first thought. Fear holds you back from so much, and you don't want to let fear rule your life. Communication is essential in a relationship. So no matter how difficult it seems, talk to your partner. Tell them your desires, your dreams, the things that you want. Ask them about things going on in theirs. Whatever the problem that it is that you're facing, don't be afraid to talk about it, because someone who really cares about you will be willing to discuss it with you.